Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, November 26th, 2024, we're doing an in-depth analysis of XAUUSD, examining both the recent news and the technical aspects reflected in the charts. Recent news headlines indicate a bearish sentiment surrounding XAUUSD. Reports suggest a possible drop towards the $2,600 level, driven by factors such as a cooling of Middle East tensions and the impact of Besant's actions on the markets. These reports and actions suggest considerable pressure on the gold market. Let's now examine the daily chart to corroborate the new sentiment. The overall trend seems to be slightly bearish in the short term, with recent price action suggesting a potential reversal. Observing the candlestick patterns, we notice a series of lower highs and lower lows. This reinforces the bearish outlook, particularly when looking at the volume, which seems higher in some of the most negative moves and lower otherwise. However, note the most recent candle has a positive move. This may suggest a near-term period of consolidation. The 1-hour chart gives us a closer look at the recent price fluctuations. Here, we see shorter-term reversals with some candles showing positive change and some candles showing negative change. This may indicate indecision in the market. Zooming in on the last 24 hours, we can see some interesting price action. There are several short-term bearish trends followed by bullish candles. The price action in this range shows that we may be in a period of consolidation. Let's turn our attention to the 15-minute chart to observe even finer details. The high frequency of change in this chart reinforces the idea that we are in a period of consolidation. A key support level to watch appears around the $2,600 mark on the daily chart. This level has historically provided significant support in the past. If the price breaks through this support level, it could signal a continuation of the bearish trend. On the other hand, if the price manages to rebound and hold above the current price, it would reinforce the bullish sentiment, with further possible strength and gains. In the short term, it is difficult to be bullish or bearish based on the data alone, and the overall sentiment seems to be bullish in the long term. Important price levels to watch for include the $2,600 support level and the current price level of around $2,000. A break below $2,600 could signal a more significant drop, while a sustained move above the current price could signal further gains. The likelihood of reaching the $2,600 support level seems relatively high, particularly if geopolitical risk continues to cool down. However, this prediction's likelihood is dependent on several factors. Things to look out for include further news developments concerning geopolitical events, economic data releases, and overall market sentiment. Keep an eye on any changes in trading volume as well. Large increases could signal a strong move in either direction. Remember, this analysis is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any trading decisions.